Hello Internet, I'm Scott and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to do something a little different. Ever since our unboxing videos for the Monster IlluminEssence line of products was published, we've been asked almost daily about how to pair the remote to the lights. Now there's a couple of reasons why you might want to do that. The first is you've bought a number of these, you've got them all through your house, and you want maybe one remote to control all of the lights in the house. One remote maybe just for your living room and one just for your bedroom. That's totally possible. The other possibility is that we have heard that people have received their products and the remote is not paired to the bulbs out of the box the way they're supposed to. But don't fret. It's actually incredibly easy to pair your remote to your bulbs. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. As you can see, I have two of the Monster IlluminEssence remotes here in front of me. This one here is programmed for this light right here next to me. You can see I'm able to control it fully with this remote. Now you'll see that this one is not programmed at all for this bulb, but we're going to program it real quick. Now, on your remote here, you will see at the bottom, there are three little sliders. They are brightness, speed, and memory. We're only going to deal with the speed here in the middle. Now, if you want to pair a remote to a bulb, you're going to use the speed up button. And if you want to unpair a remote from a bulb, you're going to use the speed down button. Here's all you have to do. Turn the bulb off. Now you need to turn it off via power. So if you're in a lamp, you can turn it off. If you're in a light fixture, flip the switch off. That's all you have to do. Just make sure that there's no power to it. Turning it off with another remote, not going to get the job done. So now you've got it powered off. When we turn it on, within 5 seconds, we're going to press and hold the speed up button, and you'll see this bulb is going to blink 3 times. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hold the button. 1, 2, 3. We're now programmed. And this remote that did not work before now has full control over this bulb. And to show you that it is the other remote, I can do it with both of them and fight with each other. Now, we've now programmed this bulb, this bulb to work with this remote. Now we want to undo that. It is just as easy. We're going to power it off. 1, 2, 3. When we turn it back on, we're going to press and hold the speed down button, and this is going to blink rapidly this time. Ready? Turn it on. Hold the button, fast blink, and now this remote no longer controls that fixture. Now, obviously this works for the standard light bulbs, but the LED strips are exactly the same thing. All you have to do is remove power, plug them in, 5 seconds, hold the button, pair and unpair. That's really all there is to it. It's a really easy process. So if you've purchased the lights and your remote is not working, simply try pairing it. It may have just come from the factory done wrong. If that doesn't work, maybe you have to take it back, but that's a different problem. I would recommend trying this first, or if you're trying to expand the capabilities of your home, maybe you want to change what the remotes do. And as you can see, it's as easy as that. All you have to do is hold the button for a couple of seconds and you're good to go. Until next time, I'm Scott. Ciao.